guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this kitchen faucet that I got. Really great. It's got the pull down sprayer. It's got this spring, so it's really cool. You can pull down and go all around, which is nice. And when you're done, you can just put it over here so it stays nice and straight. It moves to the side, multifunctional, easy to use. You just pull out and the water comes out. You can go, this side is hot and cold, so simple to use. When you have it on, it sprays like that. If you press the button, press it again, and single spray. So really cool, simple to use. I love it. I highly recommend it. It's really nice. It's very durable, really great material. I love the matte black, and it looks industrial. I really love it. So it's a great faucet. And really nice. Looks really good. Super easy to install. It comes with everything needed, all the hoses and everything needed to install. So really simple installation and really cool design. So I love it, and I highly recommend it to everybody. So I hope you enjoy. Bye.